Did you know one of history's smartest economists predicted we'd only work 15 hours a week by now? In 1930, John Maynard Keynes wrote an essay saying technology would make us so productive that we'd barely need to work. He thought by 2030, we'd spend most of our time on hobbies and family. But here we are working 40, 50, even 60 hours a week. What went wrong? Keynes got the productivity part right. We can produce way more stuff with way less effort than people in his time. But he completely misunderstood human nature. He thought once people had enough money for food, shelter, and basic needs, they'd stop wanting more. Wrong. Instead of working less, we just wanted bigger houses, fancier cars, and more gadgets. Keynes also missed how companies would use technology. Instead of giving workers more free time, businesses found ways to make employees do even more work. The lesson: economic growth doesn't automatically make life better. Sometimes it just makes us busier.